Natural resources. We have many things around us. There are also job opportunities for us. We use them to meet the needs of our life. All these things are called resources. The resources are of three types. Number one, natural resources. Number two, human resources. Number three, capital resources. Natural resources. All those resources which are provided by the nature are called natural resources. For example, earth, mountains, rivers, plants, water, air, animals, etc. Capital resources. A man uses his wealth to make such resources which become a source of income. These resources are called capital resources. For example, bus, car, tractor, computer, factories, machines, etc. are capital resources.